Hey friends, my name's Nina Miller and I'm your mascara artist, and I'm going to try out the new Buffy brush. Got this in the mail today, so I'm going to see how it works. So let's just see. Got my contour and highlight here. Okay. I had to get new contour today too, because I was out. Oh yeah, that goes on so good. This is going to be a really quick hack tonight. I just want to see how this does. It's not going to be much of a makeup job. It's really just seeing how this brush does. This is applying so nicely. So nicely. And then I'm going to take a lighter highlight color to go into these areas that I want to kind of camouflage a little. And just kind of tap that in there. Okay, then I'm going to take this end of the brush, do my contour. I'm running out of natural light, so I'm kind of trying to get this on before I run out of natural light. Lots of people use the beauty blender. I like to blend mine with this brush. This is the B squared brush. Okay. Now I got a couple of new colors today. Cheek, lip and cheek color. And I am really liking this Summer Love. So that is what I am going to put on. I'll put this Summer Love on. And then just buff it out. Like that. Normally I would use a brush to do this on my lips. To get a little more color. I'm really liking that right there. I'm just going to take my illuminator now. And my best blend forever. And you know how I like Photoshop. A little bit of that right there. A bit down my nose. A little bit on my lips. Let's put a little stuff on my eyes. Just a little. Let's see. I think that's it. I didn't bring my stay spray, so normally I would spray this with stay spray. But I just wanted to do a quick hack and see how that new Buffy brush looked. That's not so bad. I like it. Alrighty, that was a quick hack, and new Buffy brush, new Summer Love lip and cheek color, and there you go, ladies.